DraftKings, their shares, really there's been no bad news about DraftKings recently. Like every single thing that has come out on DraftKings is really good news. They reported their earnings. They have partnerships with the NFL in both the U.S. and in Canada. During Super Bowl in early 2021, they had more volume than they've ever had before in terms of payments being run through them. And now the company said that it has about 1.5 million monthly unique payers, and they said that the stock is continuing to do very well. Revenue crushed expectations. There was analysts expected $232.6 million in revenue, and they announced it was 322. So this was about, what is that? That's like 25-30% more than what was expected, which is really unheard of. On top of this, they have about 1.5 million monthly unique paying customers. So that means a lot of those people probably pay multiple times, bet on multiple different games. So it's not just, that many transactions. It's unique paying customers. And right now, it says that the average revenue per monthly payer per monthly user, let's just say, is $65. And that's actually a lot of money, a lot of revenue per each person. I think we're going to continue to see this grow, especially with sports betting being legalized in more and more states across the U.S., bills being passed in Canada, and eventually, I think within the next 2 years, we're going to see basically all the states in the U.S. have legalized sports betting. We recently saw Michigan legalize it. We're going to continue to see more and more because it generates billions of dollars in tax dollars for these states. They need the money. This is just an easy solution that is it is just going to happen. It's inevitable that they are going to legalize sports betting. And DraftKings is a major player with partnerships already with the NFL, with major companies, and just they're in a growing market. Right now, only 20 states plus Washington, D.C. allow online sports betting, and 5 states have legalized sports wagering but are not yet operational, and 16 more states are working on legislation. So what is that? That's going to be a total of 41 states that are, so 20 states have already legalized it, already operational. 20 states are already operational, and then another 21 states either have bills that have been passed or bills that are currently being worked on. So it'll be 41 states total probably by the end of this year, and that's going to essentially double the amount of potential revenue for DraftKings. They're predicting that they're going to have between $750 million to $1 billion in revenue for 2021. They said that is dependent on what happens with sports. So as long as we see sports have regular schedules and we don't see restrictions or seasons shortened, then they should have that, which is great news for investors, great news for the stock price. I'm personally invested in them. I like them. I think with sports betting being legalized in more and more states, it's just really hard to bet against this company right now. But let me know what you guys think.